No, you gotta pick the phone up first.
I press 9 first or what?
No.
She's gonna call my cell phone. See if it works.
What did it say?
Not working. Like down 2-2.
So push the thing down, hang up. It didn't work, so your money should come back. You hang the phone up. You notice they didn't work. There you go, check the money. They weren't too concerned about germs, right? They really didn't care about that.
Oh,
Here was your 2 quarters.
Okay.
Wait a minute, does it have a noise on it? Pick it up. Is it making a noise? It's not working. It doesn't work.
Oh.
When you pick it up, you gotta hear it go. Boo.